All right, this is the Mosen electric guitar kit. And first things first, when you pull this guitar out, you're shocked. This wooden base is legit. This is real. I actually thought it was just gonna be like a shiny look of wood, but it is actual wood and it looks great. I love this blue color, but obviously you can get it in different colors. Really solid neck, solid head. And you know, when you get a brand new guitar like this, sometimes you gotta tune it up a couple times to make sure it stays in tune. But guess what? It does come in this kit. It comes with a tuner, so you can easily keep that in tune. It also comes with a capo. It comes with some guitar strings, a little rag to buff it out if you need to. It comes with a whammy bar. It comes with a guitar strap and some guitar picks. And even check out the Mosen little table desktop amp. This thing's actually great. It just sits here, and you can have distortions on. You can make it clean. So if you want a clean sound. You have the different pickup knobs over here and your volume knob as well. And it also does come with a cable to plug in from your guitar to the amp, which is also exceptional. The distortion on here is really nice on the amp too. It's really fun to play. Anyways, yeah, I just wanted to make this review of this because it's a great beginner guitar. You know, if you're looking for that new guitar for someone that's never played before and they're just starting out, something like this can get them all jazzed up because they got everything they need in one kit, and that's very important. And even comes with an app that you can download and get some lessons and things like that. So very nice, solid, and I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.